Hi guys, it's me, and today we're diving deep into something truly fascinating, the 2D 3D optical equipment electronic projector high-precision manual optical vision measurement image measuring instrument. Yeah, that's a long name, but this device is a beast when it comes to precision measurement, optical accuracy, and advanced engineering. This isn't your everyday projector for home entertainment. This is an industrial-grade optical measuring system built for professionals who demand microscopic accuracy in every visual inspection. So, let's break this down. Imagine a world where you can measure microscopic details with stunning accuracy, without even touching the surface of the object. That's what this optical projector does. It uses a powerful combination of 2D and 3D optical imaging to analyze, inspect, and measure dimensions, contours, and geometric features of an object with extreme precision. Whether you're in manufacturing, quality control, or product testing, this instrument is like having an engineer's eye with superhuman precision. Let's talk design first. The build quality here screams professional. The entire unit feels robust. A solid metal frame that's vibration-resistant, perfectly balanced, and engineered for high-stability environments. Every dial, knob, and surface feels premium. It's clearly made to deliver consistency and repeatability, which are crucial in precision measurement. The optical lenses are multi-coated to reduce reflection and distortion, ensuring that every projection is crystal clear. Now, moving to performance, this is where the magic happens. The high-precision optical vision system allows both 2D and 3D measurement capabilities. You can switch between flat surface measurements and three-dimensional analysis effortlessly. It's powered by a manual optical vision measurement system that uses advanced LED illumination, high-resolution cameras, and an ultra-precise focusing mechanism. You get edge detection so sharp that it can differentiate between the tiniest deviations on a surface. And let's not forget about the electronic control unit. It integrates seamlessly with a digital readout system, allowing you to view live measurements on screen. It provides metrics like diameter, angle, distance, radius, and surface curvature with microscopic accuracy. The display interface is clean, responsive, and intuitive, designed to minimize human error and maximize productivity. Now, I know what you're thinking. Who is this for? This isn't for the average consumer setting up a home theater. This is for manufacturers, toolmakers, precision engineers, optical labs, and even R&D teams. If your work demands micrometer-level measurement, this device becomes essential. Think of it like the Tesla of optical measurement, futuristic, smart, and reliable. What's really impressive here is the combination of analog precision and digital intelligence. The manual controls give you that tactile satisfaction of fine-tuning focus and alignment, while the electronic projection system ensures the highest level of repeatability. You can analyze 2D images, convert them to 3D visual maps, and even calculate volume and depth. In terms of usability, the setup process is surprisingly straightforward for something this advanced. You get a calibrated optical lens assembly, adjustable stage, LED illumination, and a control unit that syncs everything together. The ergonomic design allows long hours of operation without fatigue. The height, viewing angle, and control placement are all designed for professional workflow. Let's talk about the optics for a second. The multi-element precision lens setup ensures no chromatic aberration, no edge blurring, and consistent clarity across the field of view. The illumination system uses a collimated LED source that produces uniform lighting, meaning no hotspots, no shadowing, just perfect visual consistency. When you project the image onto the measurement screen, every edge is razor-sharp. Accuracy is where this projector truly shines. The system boasts micron-level precision, that's 1/1000th of a millimeter. In industries like aerospace, medical device manufacturing, or microelectronics, such precision isn't just important, it's mandatory. And the fact that this machine delivers that level of accuracy manually with optical verification makes it incredibly dependable. Another thing worth mentioning is durability. This system is built to last. Every moving part has been designed with longevity in mind. Industrial bearings, precision ground stages, and corrosion-resistant materials ensure this isn't a short-term investment. It's a long-term tool designed to deliver consistent results over years of daily operation. And then there's calibration. It's user-friendly yet extremely powerful. The calibration tools let you verify optical alignment in minutes, ensuring measurement integrity over long-term usage. The digital feedback system assists in correcting minor deviations automatically, ensuring every result stays within tolerance. You also get data connectivity features. The system can connect to a computer or printer for easy report generation, data export, or further analysis. That means engineers can integrate this projector into their workflow seamlessly, streamlining the process of documenting and verifying measurements. The takeaway? The 2D/3D optical equipment electronic projector high-precision manual optical vision measurement instrument is not just another optical device. It's a full-fledged measurement powerhouse designed for those who need complete confidence in their visual data. It bridges the gap between manual precision and electronic intelligence, offering an incredibly refined measurement experience. So, whether you're analyzing a microchip, inspecting mechanical parts, or validating optical components, this device takes your measurement game to a whole new level. It's all about precision, control, and reliability, three words that define this system. The clarity, build quality, and performance are all top tier. It's not flashy, it's functional. Every element serves a purpose, and that's what makes it stand out in a world where accuracy defines success. If you're someone who values true precision engineering, then this might be one of the most impressive optical measuring instruments you can add to your lab or workshop. Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this 2D/3D optical equipment electronic projector high-precision manual optical vision measurement image measuring instrument, then please visit the link provided in the description.